The median savings for a young adult today is just $3,240, and nearly 1 in 4 households is living with absolutely zero in emergency savings. For most people, trying to find $10,000 in a single year feels like an impossible mountain to climb. To bridge that gap, we are going to look at the math and build a set-it-and-forget-it automated system designed to accumulate $10,000 over the next 12 months. To make this work, I want you to open a new browser tab right now and log into your online banking portal. Large financial milestones are rarely a result of sheer willpower. Instead, they are the outcome of bulletproof system design. Step 1 is shifting your psychological framing. A massive yearly target is paralyzing, so we need to break it down into a highly manageable daily fraction. Here's the math. $10,000 a year equals $833 a month. When you break that down into 30 days, it comes out to exactly $27.40. That is your target. Your only job moving forward is to find and capture that $27.40 every single day. Traditionally, moving money into savings is difficult because of loss aversion. Your brain registers the transfer as a loss of immediate resources, which triggers psychological pain. To stop that pain, we use guideline automation. This moves the money before your brain has a chance to register that it's even there. Set up an automatic recurring transfer for that specific $833 into a high-yield savings account. Schedule this transfer for payday. By paying yourself first automatically, the money stays out of sight and out of mind, removing the friction from the saving process. The next step is locating that daily $27.40. Start by using a budgeting tool to audit your last 60 days of spending. Look for quick wins in discretionary categories. Target unused subscriptions, excessive eating out, and convenience purchases. Find that daily $27.40 through small adjustments. Save $10 on housing, $5 on transport, $3 on food, and $4 by optimizing debt. Round it out with $2 from apparel and $3 in tax efficiency. You don't have to cut out every social event to make this work. Keep the outings that bring you joy, but ruthlessly eliminate lazy spending, like food delivery or convenience store markups. Once you secure your baseline, use the Saboteur Windfall Protocol to capture unexpected cash. Go into your 401k portal and set an automated 1% contribution increase every 30 days. It is a tiny increment that you won't feel in your take-home pay. Additionally, apply a strict rule to any side hustle cash. If you make $60 extra, transfer it instantly into your brokerage or savings account. To prevent goal fatigue in the first 90 days, use the double-up strategy. Celebrate when you save your first $10, then double that goal to $20, then $40. Combining these microscopic daily budget cuts with the aggressive capture of surprise income creates the compounding momentum required to reach $10,000. The final threat to this system is present bias, the overwhelming desire for an immediate dopamine hit from a new purchase. Psychologically, dopamine spikes during the anticipation of buying something, rather than during the actual ownership of the item. You can satisfy that craving without spending money by building an emotional firewall. Create a phone note called "Not Now, But Later." When you feel an urge to buy, log the price and set a 30-day calendar reminder. This protocol satisfies the initial urge. But 90% of the time, that impulse fades within 2 weeks, leaving your bank balance protected. Increasing your savings rate often comes down to humility. As author Morgan Housel explains, savings is simply your income minus your ego. By automating your transfers, auditing your expenses, and quarantining your impulses, you lock yourself into a mathematical path toward $10,000. Once you reach that milestone, you cannot let that capital sit idle in a low-interest checking account. You must deploy it. Use it to eliminate 29% credit card debt, finalize a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, or invest it in low-cost index funds. The opportunity cost of impulse spending is massive. A $5,000 purchase stays flat, while that same amount invested in the S&P 500 can grow to over $13,000 in a decade. This is the mathematical phenomenon that Albert Einstein allegedly called the eighth wonder of the world. This system secures your first $10,000 and transforms your identity from a consumer into an investor. Like and subscribe for more